Don't touch my hair. When is the feeling? Don't touch my soul. When it's the rhythm, I know. Don't touch my crown. Oh no. They say the vision I found. Don't touch what's there. Whoa. When it's the feelings,
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the little picture that's in this corner right here or over here. But by the title of this video, you already know that this is about my big chop hair update. I'm looking down because I have like my little book for my notes. But this video is about my big chop, update of my big chop and how I got my hair to grow and what I've been doing and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead. Transitioning for 1 year, and before I transitioned 1 year before my big chop, and it's been 10 months since my big chop, and as you can see I have like some crazy hair growth, and that's a good thing. Having hair growth is always a good thing. Now I have 5 Q&As, 5 questions that I'm gonna answer, so I guess that would be like a Q&A on my natural hair journey. Okay, so the first question is, why did I go natural? The reason why I went natural was because my hair, every time I had very fine hair, and every time I got a relaxer, my hair would look even thinner, and I didn't really like that look, so I started stretching my relaxers out and like getting a lot more new growth before I relaxed my hair, and then I started texlaxing. So I kind of prepped my hair to go into the natural stage without knowing I was gonna go the natural route, but I kind of prepared my hair for it. So that's why I went natural, because I didn't like the look of the relaxers anymore. Why did I do the big chop? I did the big chop. Like I said, I transitioned for 1 year and then I did the big chop. So I didn't cut all my hair off. I'm going to insert a link right here. So you can click on that video and see my big chop video. But I had box braids. I had did some big Poetic Justice braids in my hair, because I was like just wearing protective styles, not wanting to do anything with my natural hair. Well, yeah, with my natural hair, because it was kind of hard to maintain the 2 different textures, because up here it'd be soft, like with the naturalness it'd be soft and easy to comb through, but once I got down to the relaxed end, it was like really like dry and brittle, and it tangled easily, and it was just a lot to work with. But when I took my braids out, as you know, once you take like box braids or any hairstyle out, you're supposed to comb through your hair. I thought I combed through all my hair, but once I got in the shower and washed my hair, then I got out, I started to comb through it, and I started feeling like these little knots, and at the end it was the relaxed hair that was tangled, and I literally could not comb through it. I couldn't do nothing to my hair, and I just started crying. I was telling my husband, I was like, I don't know what to do, like this is stupid and da-da-da-da, but I decided, I was like, I'm gonna cut my hair. And that was like, I even cried after I cut it, because it was a number one, a whole new look. If you don't want to do the big chop, you don't have to. It's just extra work that you have to do to maintain the 2 different textures. And even when you wear a twist out, it's like you have to still maintain and do extra work to that, still take care and do extra work to that relaxed hair, because it's not going to curl and twist as easy as your roots and as your natural hair are going to do. It's like it's just hanging there. So anyway, I cut it off, and I didn't go to the barbershop or anything. I just got some scissors, put some water and some conditioner on it, and just went the clipping away. And that's how I did my How often do I shampoo and condition? Okay, when I was on my relaxed hair journey, I went strictly by the book, and I was like, oh, you're supposed to pre-poo, and then you're supposed to shampoo, and then you're supposed to condition and do this and do all that. I don't really have a time that I shampoo or condition my hair. Whenever I feel like my hair is dirty, I shampoo my hair all the time. I don't go by the rules of you're supposed to shampoo your hair only once a month or only shampoo it when it's dirty. I use shampoo every time when it's time for me to wash my hair. I don't only use conditioner. That's why I never followed y'all suggestions. I just always did my own thing. Because I feel like my hair needs to be clean, especially if I'm putting like oils on top of oils and gel and all these different products. Me personally, just using conditioner was not cutting it for me. It was like my hair just didn't feel clean. It was still feeling a little nasty, and then it was like just feeling weighed down. So I shampoo my hair every time I wash. Like every time I wash it, I use shampoo.
SpongeBob, are you gonna listen to a big dummy, or are you gonna listen to me?
But with conditioning, obviously, when I shampoo, I condition. It is very important to deep condition, but people, it's like, in reality, if you're a full-time worker, a full-time student, or a full-time mom, like, you don't have time to be sitting around with conditioner in your head all day. Whether it's the weekend or whether you're off work, people just don't have time to do that. So I shampoo for like 10 minutes in the shower. As soon as I get in the shower, I'll wash my hair first. Then once I wash that out, I condition. And as I'm washing my body or shaving my legs, I'll let the conditioner sit on my hair then. And then I will wash it out. That's how I condition my hair. That's all I do. It's once in a blue moon, I'll sit there and I'll condition in the shower, and then I'll get out. It has to be a very special day for me to do that. But I do not, like, I used to be so strict with deep conditioning my hair, but now it's like I don't have the time. So I like to just do it in the shower. What products do I use? The products I use, well, I'm a product junkie, so I have like a lot of products from Kara's Daughter to Shea Moisture, Pantene, Tresemme. I don't just stick to the Natural Girl products or what is geared more towards us sisters. I go for whatever my hair likes. If my hair likes Tresemme, a certain type of, I think it was Touchably Smooth or Touchable Soft that I used to use. My hair loved that stuff. My hair felt soft. It felt moisturized. So that's what I grabbed. If I wanted like something different, maybe a particular Pantene did it for me. So I kind of try out different things, new things, and see what works for me. And right now, though, I have this awesome stuff that I found that works on not only my hair but my daughter's hair as well. But this stuff works amazing, and I've been seeing a lot of other YouTubers use it, and I was like, oh, it may not work for me, I'm gonna just stick to what works for me. But I gave in, and I was like, you know what, I'm ready. Let me try them. And it is the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. This stuff is the bomb for us natural girls. Like, I'm telling you, this stuff, and it's the blue one, the one that says moist. This stuff, if my camera, there we go. This stuff is the bomb. This stuff is the bomb Like I can't say it anymore. Like how good this stuff is. But this is what I use now. This is the shampoo and the conditioner. I got this from Walmart for they was actually on sale, so both of them together was like $10, which is not bad. And look how huge this is. It's really big. A 29.2 full ounce for both. So it's a lot. So $10 for both of these, or even $5 or whatever. And then they also have this 3-minute Miracle conditioner that it's a deep conditioner that hydrates. And this stuff, like, it really deep conditions your hair in 3 minutes. Like, it looks like this. I actually got 2 of these because they was on sale as well. But they're only $2. This stuff is dirt cheap, you guys, and it works really good. And a lot of times with me, in my opinion, it be a lot of the lower brands, or not necessarily lower brands, but a lot of the cheaper stuff that works best. Like, you can find something that costs like $17 and be like, oh my God, like this is going to work so good because I heard so many things about it. And me personally, I didn't experience. I done paid $20 for something, brought it home, used it, and my hair still felt like crap.
Air is not good, Patrick! Air is not good!
It just... And you know you can't take this stuff back, especially if you get it from the beauty supply store. So, these products, the Aussie products, are in Walmart. I'm sure they may have it in Target. I'm sure. But I purchased mine from Walmart. It's cheaper in Walmart. Target is a little expensive sometimes with certain things. So go to Walmart, girl. Go to Walmart. But that is the shampoo and conditioner that I'm stuck on right now. That is what I'm using. I love how it makes my hair feel. It's like, I just took my hair out of braids. So this isn't a twist out. This is like a braid out, and I really wasn't trying to do a braid out. I was literally taking my braids out from having my lace frontal on, and I was like, you know what, it's about time for me to do an update because it's been 10 months. This is what I did. This may not work for you, but this is what worked for me. Like I said earlier, I work full-time, and I'm a full-time mom, and you know, it's a lot that, you know, it's only 24 hours in a day and only so much you can do. I don't have time to plan my hair. So to save myself some time, I love box braids. I wear box braids a lot. In another month or so, I might put some more box braids back in my head. But I love box braids. I love wearing extensions, like ponytails. Like, I'll put my hair up in a bun and I'll leave my hair up like that for about a week. What else I do? Wigs. I wear wigs a lot. Yeah, I do the lace frontals, and then I'll do like the wigs that you can just throw on and pull right back off. Especially when you're wearing your hair like this. This is a lot. It's a lot of maintenance because you have to twist it back down, or you have to wet it. You have to do whatever you have to do to get it like this. So it's a lot of maintenance. Just people that's natural. It's a lot of rules that they have to what you should do for your natural hair. You can't stress and go by those things. You have to find out what works for you. You have to find out, like, how are you going to moisturize your hair? Like, what are you going to, you know, what are you going to wash your hair with? What works for this person may not work for you. What, you know, is you have to find out. You have to test your hair. You just have to learn your hair. And don't give up on it so easily, because it does take a lot of time. And drink a lot of water. That's number one. Really. Drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. Keep your body, your inside healthy, your mind healthy, not being stressed out mentally or whatever. That would definitely help your hair growth. And just take care of yourself. So once you take care of yourself, your hair will do what it do, and it'll be the best that it can be. And I'm going to bring you guys more video and keep you guys posted. But that's what helped my hair grow. And if you want to see more videos like this, just go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know, and I will get more videos, more hair videos, natural hair videos out for you guys. Thank you for watching.
Don't touch my hair. When it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul. When it's the rhythm I know. Don't touch my crown. Oh no. They say the vision